It's buried deeper than we thought.
The suction is going to be the main issue here.
We need to secure the winch points before we try pulling it out. Keep the tension steady, watch the line. It's starting to move, hold the pressure. Steady pressure on the winch.
Driver, reverse slowly.
Watch the cable tension, keep it centered. All right, keep the power on. Steady throttle. You're almost clear, hold it right there. All right, keep it steady now. Pull it slowly, slowly. We're almost clear. All right, it's free. Took long enough, but we did it. Woohoo! Yeah! Woo! All right, job done. Push it now, keep it coming. Hold it there, watch the tires. Almost on, keep pushing. Keep it straight, watch the left wheel. Oh. Almost there, bring it up slowly. Hold it right there. Give it one more crank, make sure it's stable. All right, she's locked in, secure for transport. All right, keep it coming straight back. Easy now. A little more, right there, hold it. Easy now, nice and slow. All right, keep it straight. Almost there. The front bumper is definitely bent here. Yeah, and look at these scratches under the mud. We need to start with a deep clean before we assess the paint. The mud has penetrated the connectors on the inverter. Yep.
Right. We'll need a high pressure wash followed by a detailed inspection of the harnesses.
We need to document the buildup around the control arms before we start cleaning.
There's a stress fracture right here on the frame rail.
And the crumpling extends further than expected. We're looking at a full section replacement.
This weld seam seems intact, but look at the deformation right here.
Oh, right, that confirms the chassis misalignment we saw earlier. This panel feels smooth, no texture issues here.
Hold on, I see a small anomaly in the reflection right here.
Alignment looks good on this side.
Systems check complete, ready for sign off.